Hello friend, welcome to Bricks Embedded System tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to rotate one stepper motor using Atmega microcontroller. So to start with, you must have one stepper motor. In general you will find either 4, 5 or 6 wires on your stepper motor. You just need to select the 4 wire which need to be connected to motor driver. So here we have a stepper motor with only 4 wire. So we have connected all 4 wires to L293D so that these can be controlled using the D4, D5, D6, D7 pins of microcontroller. The connection of these wires to the pins must be in proper sequence, then only it will rotate. Now what we have done is we have written a small code where we have set the DDR of D4, D5, D6, D7 to high so that it will become the output pins. Next what we are doing is I am making one pin high, next pin high, then next pin high and then next pin high. So in this way the motor will rotate from one position to second, second to third, third to fourth and again fourth to first position, and it will start rotating. So let's transfer this code to the motor and see if it's rotating. So here you can see that once the code is transferred, the motor is rotating. Now if we want to rotate the motor in reverse direction, just we need to write all these statements in reverse direction. So if we will change the order of these statements, the direction of the motor will also change. So now you can see last time it was rotating anti-clockwise, now it's rotating in clockwise direction. So depending upon the direction of the order of your pulse and the delay, if we will decrease the delay of between these statements, the speed of motor will also change accordingly. So actually I have made it too high. So now you can see it's rotating at higher speed. So in case of a stepper motor, we can control the direction of motor as well as the speed of motor. So that's all for this tutorial. Please keep watching our tutorials to learn more about embedded system. Thank you.